Yeah.
I'd say.
Yeah, all the same.
That's the one I'm having a bit of mind with. This side,
Let's have a look.
Yeah. So the only I dropped it as well.
Oh, don't say that.
Yeah.
You're not meant to tell me that.
Yeah, well, all right. It was all right here.
Yeah, it's arrived damaged.
Yeah. Yeah, because every time I do anything, I have to take the bonnet off to do anything.
To line it all up and everything. Just, there we go. Yeah, but like I can see with the swage lines.
Yeah, it's almost like I say that. It isn't. I mean, they will be.
Yeah.
Better when it's on.
Wow, I mean, it's totally different. I know it's only in like a kind of dust coat or whatever you call it, like a primer. But it's even now, even so.
Boots done as well, yeah.
Oh yeah. Very good, man.
All that back panel and that thing.
Was the back panel done as well?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah. So what, have you done ordered one or made it up?
No, made it all welded. This side, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Welded a piece on this side.
There was a bit, tidied it up there.
I've done it side here the best I can. It's a bit rough inside.
Yes, it wasn't great.
Can't get in with anything,
No.
That's the only trouble.
Well, that's the thing with my Mark II with it. I don't know why it's gone here. It's as though someone's done some welding because the paint's been burnt off.
Right.
So I don't know, because I know with it being a GL, it had all trim and it's all been filled over, but something weird there with that one. So yeah, I get that.
There's a bollocks a load of stuff inside, but as I say, I'll stuff rub it down the best I can. That's why there's rings everywhere, but like I say, I'll rub it down the best I can and get inside.
Nothing else surprising's turned up then?
No, well, no, because like I say, most of it.
Is it not too bad up under here? So we can hopefully strip that off and just have it black, do you think?
Well, yeah, I'll just give it a scrape and then shut it.
So, exactly. I'm not after it being body colour or nothing daft, just protected.
Just get all the lips off, like.
Well, that's wrapped it, and it just never, they never keyed it.
You see, you're supposed to key it up and you're supposed to you're supposed to put this on first.
Yeah.
This,
well, look at this. I'm making a mess now, sorry.
Once I say anything that's loose won't coming off anyway, because it won't come off eventually, even when you cover it over.
Yeah, it comes off in bloody swathes, doesn't it? Wow. Doing your job here.
Yeah. I'll just get wire brush on it and
brush it off. Shame, because when they first did it, it looked fantastic. Yeah. But you can see they just went straight over it because it's got. That's
even on mine, like I say, in the corner of the wings, if you put it on too heavy as well, it does that. It bulges
just
away.
Bulges out.
Off
but you can see under here there's zero prep because it's all it's all bloody under seal.
Yeah, what's it'll never ever stick to anything like that.
Exactly.
Where shuts will.
Yes.
Not the screw at the top.
Exactly. That's good.
So what? Well, we'll have to see how we get on. Like, see.
Yeah.
Because this won't go up any higher than this.
No, exactly.
Only to see.
And he's got a 2-poster. I mean, that can happen after, can't it? That kind of stuff. I can get
we'll see do what we can. And then, like I say, if the Daimler's running at work, put it on the ramp there, probably run that off.
Great.
If it is, runs into about the same sort of time.
Yeah.
And they've got ripper seats, we've got repair all this.
Oh, God, yeah.
Don't know what's happened to it there.
It's better without that cage, to be honest, this is. Yeah. It doesn't need a bloody cage, this doesn't.
Well, it's like you say, at the end of the day, you don't rally, you need to race it.
No, and even if I was, that's bloody showcase.
Yeah.
Bugger all. So, yeah.
Some bits and pieces you've got to be fat, like I say, the gaps and that. As I say, once it's. As I say, I've just put a couple of screws in just to getting the gap right across.
Yeah.
At the minute, I've got a gap back this big this side.
Oh, I know.
So you're working with like non-genuine panels as well. And
yeah.
like I say, that it's all been welded up a million times before.
Absolutely.
So see that, I can't tell now, I'll beat you all back, but
yeah.
For me, whoever's fitted the front panels fitted it on
a
little bit too far across that way.
Because this was a square lamp. So it
yeah.
has had a new panel. But again, we're talking, all the photos we've got, especially the ones before it was restored, it still had the round lights in it. So all the work has been done knocking 30 years ago, by the looks of it to me.
Yeah, it's like I say, it's very difficult when
I know.
You're following like probably 10 other people without going back to the bones, and like you say, it probably wasn't worth doing that.
Not on this little one, I'm afraid.
Because I mean, well, I don't know where you'd have stopped if you'd have said, right, we'll do it all. You'd probably
You'd have been down. I was going to say you'd be down to the chassis legs and the roof. No, it's not that kind of car. It's one for me to enjoy, and hopefully it won't rust out so quick. And you know, I want to do what I can for it. It's like with the Mark II. I don't even want to take any parts off that. I just want it. The bits that need doing to where the rust is and that. I reckon the door's probably going to need a new skin and stuff, but that's for future. You know, I won't pest you with that one, mate. I know you won't retire. But if you ever get bored, it's there for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I say, once I can get the wings on, I've got a bit of welding to do under them.
Yeah.
All the inside's been done, it's just the back edge of the ear hasn't been welded in yet.
Yeah.
There's a patch here inside here.
What's called the many floor pans it's got?
Just at the corner down here where I cut it out.
Oh, right.
Once that just up in there.
Oh, yeah.
This one's a patch in there.
So just replace that second or third floor pan he's got.
Yeah, that's right.
It's weird because for me, you can see where it's been put in, and they put a floor in. But then there's another one underneath it.
Yeah, at least one. It's been done from the outside as well.
Yeah,
so you've got the original floor. If you sort of there to there, it must be, I don't know.
I've never seen anything
2 inches.
like it. That's chassis go.
That's the chassis leg there. The
Yeah, and it
chassis
should be a lot
this
thicker.
deep, yeah. So it's been plated down. This piece here.
Nuts, isn't it, man?
Like I say, I think a bit of hiding to know where.
Yeah.
Other than what we're doing.
Yeah, absolutely. Like I said, underneath, I just want, like I said, black, which just jizz all this, jazz it all off.
Steady on.
I know. Yeah. But yeah, it's had, like I say, some weird. There's definitely stuff that's been put on. Like this car shouldn't have tramp bars, and yet it's got them. So somebody went to some trouble.
Yeah.
To do it. So, yeah. Oh, it's very encouraging, anyway, to see it. Like I say, it's looking good. Yeah, it's going to be good, especially when all one colour, no stripes. I think it's going to look really clean, I do.
So I've seen there's been one or two on eBay.
Yeah.
On Facebook, I've noticed like just the same colour.
Yeah.
They're just all, no stripes or nothing.
No. I like the stripes, I really do, but it's giving it credentials it doesn't deserve. And but it was how the car looked when I picked it up. It's what made me fall in love with it. The fact it was Olympic blue, because I was after a yellow one with bubble arches. But the fact this was Olympic blue with stripes, and my missus liked the colour, I thought, well, I'm blowing in here. If Claire likes it, I've got half a chance of buying it. And so yeah, it's been brilliant. Like I said, I've absolutely loved owning it. I've done so much with it that I don't mind throwing money at it to get it right. But like you say, there's got to be a limit where.
Yeah, that's right.
Fantastic. Right, well, I've had a good look round of it now. Yeah, see, this side's stuck quite a lot better. I mean, not there, it hasn't. But... Great. Wonderful.